Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here on Zakynthos Island in Greece. I'm over by the Navajo beach, which is the shipwrecked beach. There's an old ship that crashed there like around 1985, and now it is a big tourist attraction. And so what does this have to do with finance? It's very similar to stocks and the stock market, and I'll explain in a minute. So take a look at this view behind me. It's a very beautiful view, very beautiful water, and this is a big island. So there are many views, maybe as beautiful or more beautiful, and there are many beaches that are perfectly fine and have the same really nice, really clear, really clean water. But why do people come over to this Navajo beach? It's kind of like the stock market, where everybody piles into the popular thing, and they are willing to pay a huge premium to do that. So a view like this and a regular beach at one of these other beaches that has restaurants and a bathroom and beach chairs and umbrellas and all of that, there are plenty of them on this island, but people flock to this Navajo beach like it was Tesla stock or Apple stock or something like that. And so here is the strange thing. So I drove across the island about an hour to come over here, and I'm not even going on the beach. I'm going on the lookout point where you can take pictures of the actual beach, because to get to the beach you need to actually take a boat, and I think it's probably at least 25 euros or something like that to get on this boat to come out there. They let you off in the beach for a few minutes. You take your pictures on the ship, and then you go back, and it's kind of like an assembly line or something like that. So just to give you an idea, this is the line to get on that little perch over there, where you can actually oversee the beach and take your video and selfies and all of that. Meanwhile, there's all these other views all over here that are probably almost as good, but people line up to do this. And so this is a very good example of the stock market. And so I already drove here, so I'm going to be one of these people that waits online to take his video and his pictures and all of that, and then I'm going to go find a regular beach and go sit on the beach with a beach chair and a restaurant and a bathroom and parking and all of that, and enjoy my time. I'm sure a lot more than the time I'm going to be spending standing on that line to take a few minutes of pictures. So the analogy is that this view and regular beaches all over this island, it's a lot of beaches here, they're like the regular stocks that have low PEs and pay dividends. Like Intel is a 7 PE and pays, I think, a 4.5% dividend, something like that. Yet people are lining up to overpay, wait online to take their few seconds of pictures and videos, or pay these guys to take them by boat for a few seconds on the beach, which they're not going to really get to relax and sit there and contemplate life or anything like that. They're just get off, take their pictures on in front of the boat, and get back on the boat, and then go back, and then go on with the rest of their day. So like Warren Buffett says, price is what you pay, value is what you get. And so the price of coming out here, driving all of this distance and waiting on this line is kind of a high price for the value that you're going to get, which I'll show you in a second what all the hype is about. So it's something to keep in mind whether you're traveling and trying to see all the hyped up tourist spots that are usually overpriced and kind of underwhelming, versus the spots that actually give you enjoyment for not a lot of money and you get a lot more out of it. So let's see, it is 12:06 right now in the afternoon. I'm gonna get on this line and let's see how long it takes me to get over there to get my 1 or 2 minutes of pictures and videos. So this is what the view is for waiting an hour and 10 minutes online. Is it worth it? Fuck no, you know it's not. Enjoy, guys.
Well.
So guys, I waited over an hour and 15 minutes to get that little bit of view and drove here for like an hour as well. So doing all that, investing all that time and energy and whatever, I now kind of have a feeling of what it feels like to buy an NFT, because I didn't actually get the beach. All I got was kind of a JPEG of it. Speaking of NFTs, I am now selling 1,000 limited edition NFTs of that view, so that you don't have to go through the hassle of coming here, paying for airfare, a boat, a rental car, and waiting on this long line. You can buy this NFT for only $1,000. The link is in the description box below. So get them now while they're hot. You know they're only going to go up in value from here. Hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.